What do you mean by capacity? Also explain level of service. Capacity and level of service are two related terms. We know that capacity is the maximum ability of performance. Now, in terms of transport, capacity refers to the transport parameters like vehicles, passengers, etc. Thus, capacity is defined as the maximum number of vehicles or passengers per unit time, which can be accommodated under given conditions. Let's first discuss about capacity. It refers to the amount of vehicles and passengers a road can afford to accommodate. Thus, it depends upon the traffic conditions, geometry of road. It varies with respect to time and position, and is obtained through field observations. Now let's discuss about level of service. As capacity gives the quantitative measure, level of service gives the qualitative measure of traffic. It defines a range of operating conditions on a particular type of facility. The quality of traffic is divided into 6 levels, ranging from level A to level F. Level A represents the best quality of traffic, where the driver has the freedom to drive with free flow speed. And level F represents the worst quality of traffic.
Related terms are